Hi guys, the ISOs have been released for January, so we can have a little downtown time better. Let's shut down all the Telegram, Discord communication. I have this beautiful wallpaper. I really like this wallpaper. It's very futuristic, science fiction, sci-fi like. And I was looking, I would like to have a red folder, but more like this kind of red. Let's just make one, right? Let's just make one. So this is what we have standard, and GPIC is ready for me to work. Let's put him to work. So this kind of red, it's more like brownish red. So you just go over, that's pink. This is the kind of red I want, 931636. It's not exactly this. A little bit darker. Can always try to measure something else. A little bit lighter, this one. And see what we like. So, okay, let's have fun. So, on the GitHub of Eric Dubois, you'll find something about mint icons. And if you go to the website github.com, Eric Dubois, you'll find the name mint white icons there. You download it, zip it, or git clone it. Better to git clone. You can always git pull then later on, a month later, you pull the new stuff in. Because here are my creations: Static Coast, Flexible Mint, Spring Rain, so the little purple one. I want to make a new one, and there's a little bit more added. I mean, there's another again. There is another video about it, but in the meantime, I've added some more icons to it, but you'll see. So the mint white icons master ArcoLinux. This is the original one. Don't touch, will not touch that folder. So I can always say, let's compare, right? But now I'm gonna go to the source. We're gonna make places. We want to generate the color variation. So Arc is in here. Spring Rain is in here. Ooh, we need a name. Which one would we take? The darker variant or the lighter variant? Let's first find out, right? Let's first find out. So what if this color is the color we want? Generate color variations. We open it, make it bigger. Let's get rid of the copy paste here again. Then we take this colors and then this, and this is the code without the hashtag. We're not interested in the hashtag, so Ctrl X, V. So that's the code. It's all small letters, I see. It doesn't matter really, but I'll just keep. So it's the same, and we call it test since we don't know yet the color name. Now we run it. Now we run it. Yep. Python. There's only one thing to do Python, and I think we need to call it test behind it. So what did we create? We created this one, and that one. Hopefully looks different. This red and that red. Otherwise it makes no sense, right? It's not that different, but it is different. It is hexadecimal different for sure. And I actually kind of like it as well. Will it look great on our desktop? That's the question. Will it look great on our desktop? It's a good combination. The other one, let's go for GIMP again. What did we use? We did use this one, did we? Let's have a look. Sample. So A92741. What if I use this color? Save. Keep you open, keep you closed. We run it again, but before I do, I just want to make sure We can close these guys. We can close this guy. Let's make sure test is gone. Let's rename you test 1. Regenerating. So this thing and this thing are now different. That's a little bit darker. I think I'm going for the darker version. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so I've made my choice. The color is this. Google, Ctrl G. Chromium is launched. Ctrl V. And now we get this, blah, blah, blah. Name. I'm looking at the names. Faux Royal Red. Is that it? Faux Royal Red? Yep, that's it. Faux Royal Red. Fine. I'll move you over here. Move you there, move you here, move you there. These guys need to go again. We added the generate color variations. It's not going to be called that. It's going to be called for no spaces, never spaces, Royal Red. Save. The beast needs to have a name, right? Where is my... It's here. Test. Why did I type test? And what does he do then? Nothing, yeah? Oops, sorry. No output then? Okay, cool. I would think he would have nothing to do since it does not exist. For Royal Red. That's the F. Here he is. For Royal Red SVG. Still happy with it? Yeah, let's try. Okay, so that's the first step. We have now all the elements for our system. And next step is one up. Don't need this anymore. It says here lots of rendering things, but we only need the render devices dir pi. Do I need to edit anything in there? I don't think so. Let's run it. Python render devices. This is not with. Oh. I thought it was with an. Ah, yes, I thought as much. So places, of course. I remember that it was with an underscore, and I said, hey, that's strange because everything else is with a dash and this is with an underscore. So that's why I said I felt wrong. Needed an underscore. Color can be okay. Yeah, let's give him a push. Let's give him a push. Here, I need to go and have a look. So for Royal Red FFFG. So that's gonna be 4. And what did we do? Capital letters. Yeah, Spring Rain, capital letters. So 4 Royal Red. Save. Are you now happy? If you now type this, we have also the name Spring Rain here. That's new. That's from us. Hey, where is 4 Royal Red? Brown. Save. 4 Royal Red does not have a comma. It's that simple. Languages, right? Still not in there. Render places pi. Check, check, check. What else did I do wrong? Don't see it. What else is wrong? Okay, so this thing, what we're reading up here, are the parameters. What we're reading down here is the echo thing. So we need to, what was it again? 4 FGF. So here, and a comma. Still early in the morning. but I want to have nice icons with my wallpaper, right? A man can want that. There we go. So, for Royal Red, Control Shift V. Give me it now. Boom, and it's off. Almost finished. So the output is going to be in the user, in the share, in the icons for Royal Red. Here he is. Places 16. Too small to see. 24. There they come. Zip. Did you know the tip of Tudor? People always try to where and it just it won't match. You cannot resize the window because we can't. Yes, got it right. We have the right mouse click and we have the Alt button. So the Alt next to left to spacebar, press it in, right mouse click, anywhere. It's gonna resize things easy. Then easier anyway, then go to find the line there and have this up here and down here, the yellow one, yep, the orange one. So right mouse click, Alt, drag. In the meantime, he has done a lot of more work. So normally, if you want to look at icons, you use 48. It gives you more or less an idea how it will look. Not to say not a lot of difference between them, but it's a different red. You've seen it. It's a different red. All right, so this is what came out, Mint Y4 Royal Red. And now we copy paste. So Control C. Let's move you up here. So Mint Y icons, Control V. Extra links needed for our 20+ desktops. Okay. So we're gonna get the links, Control Alt C. Control A, Control A, Control C, right? And then Mint Y4 Royal Red, places, go into 16, Control V. 21, Control V. 24, Control V. 32, Control V. 48, Control V. 64, Control V. 96, Control V. 128, Control V. That's new, that's never been shown in the video. So now we have the extra links in there. This is a creation, which means it goes into creations. But I'm gonna go do the exact same thing. I kind of love the static ghost at the moment. And I'm going to call it the same. So we start off with what's the main icon theme. Can be Nuix, can be paper, papyrus, right? The name icon theme. And flexible. And then we get the rest. Where the rest we get from Mint Y Spring Rain or from Mint Y or Royal Red rename. So this name, let's see if I made typos. No. So Control A, Control C, the name of the folder and the name of the index file should be the same. And there is still no index file, which is just take this guy because that's done. That's easy work. Like this. I suppose that's gone now. So Control C again. Index theme is not static ghost flexible Mint Y Spring Rain, but it's actually for Royal. Yeah, that's it, for Royal Red. Okay. And for the rest, if you don't find an icon, so it goes to find the places, you find all the folder about the places, doesn't find anything about applications. So applications are here. So we'll find them insert the Coast Flexible. If not, go to adwire.gnome.high color. And that's it. Nope, I did not forget anything. Save. I've got myself a new theme. Now I'm gonna push this back to the internet so you guys have it, but if I want to activate it, I do Control C. I go to the dot icons, make a folder inside your home directory, dot icons, and put it in there. Like this one is in there, Control V. And then whatever desktop you're on, 21 desktops to choose from, you choose and select what you want. But you have to wait. 200 icon themes have been loaded up here. 220. All the 30 icon themes are here. Plus a new one. Spring Rain is, oops, we gotta wait. Oh, I made a mistake. Thank God. Don't do this. Don't do 2 appearances, right? Don't do that. You get this kind of look and it just breaks. XFCE, just give it one thing. Now it took surfing, you see? So just one appearance. Just, yeah. XFCE lets us open 2. It doesn't look if there's another one active. So no, it's up to us guys. Just one of them open and then you won't get these strange things. So that's the mint wire red. Let's go for the mono, that goes flexible, alphabetically, thank God. So that's the static Coast Flexible. The Spring Rain, oh, that's, I made this a problem, I made a typo. So this is Spring Rain, that's the correct color. And I mentioned somewhere there, I forgot to change something because it still says Spring Rain here. But this is the color we created. And that's the red we had. It is different. It's darker, it's nicer. But we need to fix something. Where did I mention somewhere about Spring Rain then? Okay. Did I do a false copy paste or anything? Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. We need to go back. This needs to be closed. That's one thing. We go back to the data folder, to the mint wire icons, creations for Royal Red, index theme. Yep. Did we not save it then? Anyway, it's gonna be fixed soon. Royal Red, and now this will be my wallpaper and my theme for today. Isn't that great? We can just have fun with that. So Control C, back to the icons. That's the wrong one. Hi. Control V. Oops, that's also the wrong one. And it immediately changes. What happens? No, yeah, no, yeah. It's okay. But I'll suppose we need to select it up here. Let's see. Voila. Selected switch, the switcheroo. And we got Eric and we got his new look. It's wow. It's a heavy color. It's a color that, yeah, okay. But I like it. It's okay. For today, it's okay. And voila, we've shared some more knowledge, and that's of course why we do all this. Guys, go make your desktop beautiful. All right, cheers.